Hey guys, SBC Criminal on 056 along with
Lego Fanatic 3756.
This is going to be really funny. Now, guess what? My weather radios, including Lego Fanatic 3756's 12382 right over here, says high wind warning. Two of them actually, as you can see. My whiteboard says high wind warning. My forecast, almost, says high wind warning. But if you look outside, look at this. No wind. That's so funny. Now, I understand that the warning was issued an hour, it says on here 4 hours, 8 minutes ago, so approximately 2 hours, 52 minutes ago it was issued. And it's for later tonight, but I just thought that would be funny to show you. Alright guys, SBC Criminal 1056 along with
Lego Fanatic 3756.
Alright, talk to you guys later.